Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey there. Are you tired of the uphill battle, searching for that breakthrough in the online world? We get it. Starting out can be tough. But what if I told you that your struggles could be a thing of the past? We've been where you are, navigating the maze of online challenges. But here's the exciting news. We've cracked the code, and we're here to share it with you. No more confusion, no more endless searching, just a clear path to success. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to automated profits, break free from the ordinary, and embrace the coveted laptop lifestyle? Guess what? Your dream is about to become a reality. We exploited a hidden glitch inside WhatsApp servers, making us money like this, even while we sleep. Your eyes aren't fooling you. We just made $14,486.34 in the last couple of weeks alone. It's as easy as 2 clicks. The more we send, the more we make. Look, it's very easy. Every time we click send, we make $23.97. And what's great is that there's no limit. All it takes is just a couple of seconds each time we click send. And the best part is, we didn't spend a penny to make this money, meaning all of it was pure profit. And we didn't spend all our days staring at our computer screens either. In fact, we hardly worked that past 2 weeks at all. And still, we made more money than an engineer brain searching. By the way, this is not just something that works for me or something that happened by sheer luck. No. In fact, 202 beta testers use Click and Cashin every single day to get similar results. And all they have to do is to click one button, and that's it. How are we able to do it? Easy. Let me explain. You see, 28 months ago, we figured out a way to use AI to exploit the world's biggest chatting app, WhatsApp. With over 2.7 billion active users, we knew it would be like a gold mine. We quickly used a robust AI model to leverage a hidden glitch deep inside of WhatsApp servers, and we never looked back. We created the world's first system that pays us every time we click on send. That's it. With no upfront cost, no setup, no configuration, no previous skill, and no tech knowledge. Literally, all we have to do is spend 2 minutes a day clicking on that button, and we make money like this. And like this, even while we sleep. And like this, giving us total freedom. All without creating a website, writing content, spamming anyone, paying for ads, or even selling anything. And best of all, it works in any niche and for anyone. Affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, coaches, and anyone who's looking to make some money on the side. Hey, my name's Jason, and I'm happy to introduce to you Click and Cashin, the world's first system that exploits a hidden glitch inside WhatsApp servers, resulting in $23.97 every time we click send. Anyone can do this. You don't need any experience or tech background. Even if you've never made a dime online before, it doesn't matter. Using Click and Cashin is dead easy to use. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Click and Cashin. Step 1. Access. In just 2 clicks, gain instant access by selecting any of the buy options on this page. Step 2. Send. Inside your account, click the Send button. That's all it takes to set your earnings in motion. Step 3. Profit. And that's it. You earn every time AI utilizes the WhatsApp glitch on your behalf, all completely legal and hassle-free. Click and Cashin changed our lives overnight, and now it's your turn. There's nothing else you need. You don't need to create anything, promote anything, or sell anything. Just access our intuitive dashboard from your laptop or your mobile, and let Click and Cashin run in the background and make us money. There's nothing else on the market that can do this, no matter where you look. Every day, we make hundreds of dollars directly deposited to our bank account, whether you're sleeping, eating, or on the beach. Look, I made $872.01 today, and that's totally normal for me. So, how much will this cost you? I'm not going to inflate the price by some crazy amount like $10,000 and lie about you getting some insane discount. In all honesty, our plan was to sell this to our customers for $997 one time. And for the money that Click and Cashin is making us, it quickly pays for itself. But our goal is to help as many people as possible succeed this year. So for our early bird users, you won't pay $997. You won't pay $297. Not even $97. When you get your hands on Click and Cashin today, you'll pay a low, one-time price, the same price as a pizza pie from Domino's. Yes, you get access to the world's first system that cracks the world's biggest chatting app, WhatsApp. Now it's your turn to join the fun. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get your hands on Click and Cashin. Still on the fence? Listen, I'm going to make it so there is no way for you to lose here. So to make it impossible for you to fail, here's what I'm going to do. When you click the button below and buy Click and Cashin, I'm going to let you test it for 60 days risk-free. And at any time, if you feel disappointed, even on the very first day, then come to us for a full instant refund within 24 to 48 hours. If you're not 100% satisfied, we don't deserve your money. And not just that, you still get to keep access to Click and Cashin, even if we refund you if you ever want to give it a second try. Yes, that's how confident we are in this. We've removed all risk from your end. The only way you lose is by not giving it a try. So go ahead and dive in. Click the button below this video right now and get access to Click and Cashin for the low one-time pricing. And when you make your first money, let me know. It always makes my day to hear success stories. Anyway, my name's Jason Fulton. I've provided you with all the details, and the time is now for you to take action. This early bird discount is limited time only, and when it's over, you'll pay $997 for Click and Cashin. Why wait and pay more when you could have gotten started now for just a low one-time fee? Right now, your special pricing is reserved for you, but if you come back later, you could find yourself paying $997 one time. I'm giving you everything you need to make money, all the tools necessary, and my app does virtually all the work for you. And there's no risk with my 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait another second longer to take action. Click the button below to get Click and Cash In while it's still at the early bird price. I can't wait to see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.